Hello guys, so in regards to the Joshua situation, I see a lot of you coming at me that I am disrespectful. Some say because of my tone, some say because I say I didn't know him, and some say because I curse bad words, some say because I didn't want to play a match. No. He did not want to play a match. He said that multiple times, and I know you guys heard that, right? So the people that are coming about that, I know you literally hate me. Number two, I honestly didn't know him before that night. I honestly never seen him before. I understand that he's popular. I understand that he's a nice person, but it's the first time I met him. I didn't mean it in any bad way. I didn't know him for real. I never know that you not knowing someone that could be disrespectful. And when I was cursing bad words, I was talking to Jaden, not him. And you guys know that, but you blame me for cursing it in his presence. I understand. Because I get to understand that he's a person that doesn't like bad words. I didn't know that. You understand? And that is something what I curse bad words every day. It's not directed to anybody. I just use it as an expression. I will never direct a bad word to anybody. It's like how people will say, fuck you, or move your bum. No, I would just say, mirror clot, or what the fuck. Like, I say it as an expression. I don't direct it to someone. And in regards to my tone, yes, my tone was wrong. But what the screen recorder didn't post, because they decided to be malicious that day, they cut off the first part when I was on the live with Jaden, and then Jaden added him and then jumped from the live. So I was so annoyed about that. That's why my tone sounded that way, and I told him to go and add him back, because I didn't want to cuss him, because he does it to me all the time, and you guys know this, and it burn me every time. Every time he do it to me, I cuss. I cuss him every time. When you hear me say, you always put me in a batty hole, that is my talk. Him always put me in a batty hole, meaning you add somebody, jump off as fun and joke, and then it while we are there like sitting ducks. I don't like it. When Joshua first came on the screen, I said hi. My tone was not that. You can't. People are saying that I don't play with small rankers. That's a lie. I play with small rankers all the time. It's just that the screen recorders don't record that, because they only park on my live when I'm playing Jaden or TikTok Boss or Rosalie. When I'm doing anything good, they cannot be found, because a lot of people don't want me to be broadcasted in that light. However, it shines through. It doesn't matter. It has been years that people have been coming at me to trying to find a fault with me. I don't know why, because they think that I don't know. I'm too nice of a person, and I'm pretending. But you guys haven't caught me slipping yet, and you never will. I treat people warmly all the time. My tone was directed to Jaden, not him. I would never dare disrespect Joshua, it's not like he has ever done me something. People who do me something, I don't disrespect them. So how may I disrespect somebody that I don't know? If they had posted the first part of the screen recording, you would see why my tone of voice changed. With that being said, when persons in the comment section was telling me that him feel away, right then and there, I said, Jaden, add him back. When I explained to him, say, it was not him I was talking to, it was you. It was not directed to him. And then he came in my life and said hi. And I said, Joshua, I am so sorry. My energy or what I said was not directed at you. I'm so sorry. And he said, no, I know you wasn't talking to me. I know you was talking to Jaden. I literally said Jaden's name when we start cuss. he came off because he didn't want to play a match, and I guess him never want to be a part of me cussing Jaden. But a Jaden me did that cuss. And this is something what me always do when them do it to me. You understand? I've never been a liar. I've never told you guys a lie on here. So for you guys to think that I'm lying, that I didn't know him. And I honestly didn't mean any disrespect when I say I didn't know him. I honestly didn't meet him before the night, but I know him now. You understand? And some people are saying that is the way how him look make me know all up in him. Something like that. How does he look? He looks like a regular nice young man to me. You see the people that I play there, ever see me discriminate? Me play with TikTok boss all the while with the bleaching cream stuck on him face. How can I judge somebody and how they look? I never did that. And he wasn't small from Jaden. Added him to the match. I saw that he had a huge following. It was just the first time I'm meeting him. I know you guys think I see him on the For You page. I never saw him before. That's the honest truth. I meant no disrespect by that. But at the end of the day, as long as he knows I wasn't being disrespectful towards him, that was a huge sigh of relief. When he came in my chat, I had a huge sigh of relief. Now, you guys that are trying to bring me down and pitch a tent, you know I said nothing. I uttered no disrespectful words out of my mouth to a person in my whole entire life. You have never heard about it. Look how much people hate me. And you have never come out and hear anybody say I am disrespectful. So you guys now joining to break me down. It will not break me. And I will not unsound. I just go around and block. The only persons I don't block was the persons that are telling me that my tone was wrong, because it was wrong. But it was not directed at him. I was just annoyed with Jaden doing it all the time. But there are people on this app that make it a point of their duty to disrespect people every day, call people out them name, dig up people, and I don't see you guys coming out. But me that actually tries to do something, you come out against me because you wanted a reason to. You same people that are making videos, you always disrespect people in addition to many rankers. But I see no groups forming. But when it's triple, that's the huge problem. But try again. Try again. Wait another couple years for something else to tear me down, because this is not it. Because those who know me knows I am not a disrespectful person. And knows I've never uttered anything out of my mouth to disrespect someone directly. So you guys can continue with it. I don't have nothing to say more than when my son I try to bring me down. Which, if you notice, is people who didn't like me from morning. People who never been on my life to see the type of person I am. Good is never recorded, and some of these recorders are just malicious, and I've learned to accept that.